features packed into this dryer, but the main one that we really need to talk about is the ergonomic factor, which is one of the main principles of our company. First and foremost, this dryer weighs less than a pound. So all that stress that you're putting on your shoulders and your body every day by holding a heavy blow dryer way up here is lost because of the light weight of our dryer. Now don't take lightweight and compact to mean weak. This is an incredibly powerful blow dryer that most stylists find has plenty of heat, plenty of airflow for all of their daily needs. Also, don't mistake lightweight with fragile. This thing can take a beating. I've seen Sam repeatedly drop this on stage and it's never come apart. The engine has never stopped working and the back never comes flying off. And guys, we travel so many days a year. If the airlines can't bust up our blow dryer, we think it's gonna work pretty well for you behind the chair. Two ways that we can get away with such a lightweight and small package that still packs such a punch is one, through a thing called turbo compressor technology, which takes the airflow from the smaller motor and compresses it into something that feels much, much more powerful. Two is the ionic technology. The negative ionic generator helps with dispersing the water out of the hair and polishing the cuticle, which gives you really beautiful results much faster than a non-ionic blow dryer. So if you're looking for a new blow dryer and you're tired of holding something super heavy way out here past the head, check out the Samvia Lite Professional Ionic Blow Dryer. We know you're gonna love it. It's one of our favorite tools. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, please reach out.